Hey guys, welcome back. This is our utility room and canned food storage area. As you can see, it's a mess, unorganized, and the wall color is, well, less than desirable. In this video, we're showing you from start to finish the entire update. Let's begin with clearing out the room. All this paint. I've got 3 of these. Accessible beige. So, this is the color we're going to be painting the basement. Let's paint. Now we are having issues with pests getting in through the loose spigot, so we're replacing it with the Aquor House Hydrant V1 Plus and moving the shutoff valve using the SharkBite system. Both were previous videos, they're linked above. Check those out with a full explanation and instruction on how to install both of these systems. No leaks, everything looks good. Everything's installed and working perfectly. Now we're putting the room back together and organizing it. This has made a huge difference, and the added shelving has made organization easy. And that's it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments section below. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.